Hey, this is Brian from Can Tech TV. I'm here with Janet from Real Ventures. Janet, how you doing tonight?
Great, thanks.
Great to hear. Janet, what brings you to the event tonight?
Well, you know, we love the Upside Foundation. It's an amazing cause, and so we want to support the whole organization and the entrepreneurs involved in it.
Now, you're a venture capital firm that focuses, I believe, on seed stage investments.
Yes, that's right.
Can you tell us a little bit about your investment philosophy and any other details regarding Real Ventures?
Absolutely. So we invest, as you say, in early stage companies. So typically seed stage companies, which means they have a little bit of traction, but we tend to invest earlier than most other venture capital companies, and we tend to invest sort of between $250,000 and $750,000, and then we really work with the companies to help them scale from that seed stage until they're ready for Series A.
Now, are you guys limited to the Canadian market, or are you guys focus in other markets in addition to?
So we do some investments outside Canada, but really within Canada is our sweet spot.
Okay, great. Have you noticed any kind of trends within the Canadian startup scene, Canadian venture capital scene, maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and any differences you'll see kind of moving forward over the next 5 years?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if I look at the startup scene today versus 5 years ago, it's dramatically different, and I think that difference will continue to accelerate. There's just more startups. There's more experienced entrepreneurs, and I think something that's great is that as we get more and more companies, then companies are exiting, and then we have experienced entrepreneurs who are doing it again. And so it's just, you know, raising the number of companies, but even more importantly, raising the experience level of those entrepreneurs.
So kind of that cycle where once you have those first couple of entrepreneurs having a successful exit, they then can become the mentors to funnel more in, and then so on and so forth.
Exactly.
And so you're saying Canada is in a position where it's just getting its initial exits to get that experience, to get more entrepreneurs out.
Exactly. So I'm really looking forward to this. Sort of in 5 years or 10 years, we will be much further along, and I think we will have a much stronger entrepreneurial ecosystem in Canada.
Okay. I'm curious to know what type of industries you guys are finding yourself invest in lately.
Yeah, you know what? We invest in a wide range of technology companies. If I look at our investments over the past year, we've actually done a lot in fintech. Because we see huge opportunities in that area. We've also done some investments in data analytics. But you know, we continue to invest in a wide range of startups.
Have you had any Bitcoin or blockchain companies come across your guys' desk?
Absolutely. So we invested in a company called Blockstream, which is a very large company based in Montreal. And so we invested in them, as well as we've invested in a couple of other companies such as BitAccess.
Do you see Bitcoin and blockchain being an exciting industry that you guys are going to look to delve more into?
Absolutely. I mean, there's one partner in our firm who has a real interest and expertise in that area, and so we're continuing to look at investments in that area.
This has been Janet from Real Ventures. Thank you very much for your time.